Hey guys, come and unbox our brand new Starlink with us. So we have purchased this Starlink especially for testing of our 12-volt portable kits. So as you can see, this is the Gen 3 dishy. So you don't need a stand. It comes with a kick panel that comes out the back of it. Super easy. Now you don't need these two things that Alex is showing you here. You're going to use the cable that comes with the box and the Starlink kit, and you're going to use that to plug into the side of our 12-volt portable kit. Now the other side of that cable, as you're going to see right now, that's going to go into the back of the Starlink dish right there. And then that's going to allow you to move and maneuver the Starlink dish in the best aspect area possible, where it's going to get the least shaded tree spot. The clear open skies is the best for a Starlink. All right, so you're going to go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and you're going to see networks that are available. And there is the RV Wi-Fi 5.8. When you click on that button there, you're going to now enter the password, which is RV Wi-Fi 1234. Now note, you can alter this password at a later date, but this is the initiation step. So you're going to push join up the top. Now once it has joined successfully, you're going to get a blue tick where it's going round and round and round. How good. So that's now saying we're connected to the modem and the router of the RV Wi-Fi. Now we're going back to the Starlink app now. We're going to make sure that it's connected, which it's telling us it is because it's got a blue tick there, which is great. Now we're going to go back to, and that's just Alex showing you, sorry, that it's all connected. Now we're going to go back to the Starlink app. Now we want to go to the button that says connect to your network, which it just automatically did there anyway, and it's initiating. So there's our portable kit. We just threw it on the top there. Most of the time though, to keep it out of the sun, we threw it underneath the caravan on an Anderson plug, and we're going to do a speed test here to see what we get. Now we are in the middle of Gympie with barely any coverage, and we just got 190, and we are live streaming the football on KO. This is Living Barry. The 12-volt conversion kits are for sale on our website now.